Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my creamy carrot apple soup. This soup is perfect for a Thanksgiving appetizer or even as a light dinner or lunch, maybe with a side salad or some bread. But before we get into the recipe, can you please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For the recipe, you'll need 1 onion chopped, 6 carrots peeled and chopped. You'll also need some ginger grated, 2 apples peeled and chopped. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pot. Put it on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, you'll add your ginger as well as your onions, and you're going to cook those for about 3 to 5 minutes until your onions are translucent. Now, don't make the same mistake I did and let your ginger burn. Make sure to watch your heat, make sure it's not too high. I have an electric stove. Sometimes the temperature, gets funny. So just keep stirring it and watching it, making sure the ginger doesn't burn. So after your onions are cooked, add in your apples and your carrots, as well as 2.5 cups of water. Next, we're going to add our spices, which is a teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and parsley, as well as sage. And then I also added 1 vegetable bouillon cube. And then you're also going to add in 3 bay leaves. Then we're just going to simmer that for about 20 to 25 minutes until the carrots are tender. Now, once your veggies are cooked, you'll just add them to a blender. Then add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast and blend it all up until it's all smooth and creamy. Now, once your veggies are all blended, you're going to add it back into your pot with your reserved broth. And this is my key to getting creamy vegan soups without having to add any vegan milk. I mean, you could add a little bit of unsweetened, plain, maybe soy or almond milk if you like, but I find this to be perfect without any vegan milk or anything. And last but not least, we're just going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And that's it. That's how you make creamy carrot apple soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I just garnished it with a little bit of sauteed kale and mushrooms and some red pepper flakes. So please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.